Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. Hope you guys are all okay and you're all doing well. Also, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the house. Whoop whoop. Anyway guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lizzie. I'm a beauty, lifestyle, fashion vlogger, and I hope you like my content. And if you do, please do make sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first, yes you, to know when I upload a video. Anyway guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm back with my March Glossybox unboxing for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Go. Should we see what goodies we've got today? As usual, we've got the little booklet. So yeah, this is it, and the theme for this one, it's called Pretty Pleasures. So it's called Pretty Pleasures Beauty Treats. Ready? So yeah, we've got some really interesting stuff in here, as I can tell. Before I go into the box, I'm gonna show you what our sneak peek is. So the sneak peek is there, and I'll read it out for you for April, for next month. Next month, we're boxing up the very best of spring, the fresh morning air, the birds singing amongst the blossom. You'll find that very feeling inside our April wake up in spring Glossybox. Inside this box, you'll also discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from new brands Sophie and Mabel. So Sophia and Mabel. So yeah, that's a sneak peek. So obviously the theme for next month is woke up in spring. So anyways, let's get right into the box, and yeah, let's see what we've got for this month. So I'm gonna start first. So first we've got this is by Figs and Rude, and it's full size, and it's a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. So this is a primer and finishing fix. So yeah, so it's designed to blur and minimize shine. This wonder working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless. And yeah, the retail price, like I said, this is full size, and the retail price for this is £38. It's a really nice size. Can't wait to try it out. I like the little design in front and everything. Next, we've got nail polish, and this is by Nail Sync, and this is a Palace Gardens nail polish. This is full size. As you can see, it's like a little bluey, yeah, it's like a bluey, light blue color kind of thing, like pale blue kind of thing. Yeah, I do like the shade. So yeah, this is full size and it's £11. Cute. Next we have, if you guys remember from my sneak peek from last month, I told you that they've got a mascara in there. So this is the mascara, and I can't wait to see what the mascara is like to try it out and everything. Because like I said to you guys, I'm running low on my mascara. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I love it before I go out and buy my usual mascara. Anyway, so this is by Beauty. This is full size, and this retails for £15.50. It's a nourishing mascara. I'm just gonna open up the box for us so we see. It's in this little tube shape, and it's just like that. So yeah, and that's it. So yeah, that's full size, £15.50. And next we have, we have a complexion sponge. This is by Eco. This is full size. So yeah, this evenly blends makeup for a flawless enhanced finish. And yeah, so yeah, it's, I believe the color of the one I got is, so the shade, once I just open the box, so it's this little shade. That's cute. I like the shade. So yeah, that's it. At this rate, I'm gonna have loads of blending sponges in my beauty box. So yeah, like I said, that's full size and it retails for £6. Next we have NYX professional makeup, full size and deluxe size. So this, there are different products that you could have gotten with NYX, but I got this. It is a lucky dip and everything. So we know glossies love their monthly boxes, bringing a surprise, so we're sure you're going to love a lucky dip. So this is it. So this is what I got. I got Intense Butter Gloss, and in that shade, ooh, that's cute. So yeah, that's what I got. That's my lucky dip that I got. So yeah, that's all the product from this month. Thanks Glossybox. Like I said, I've told you the April sneak peek. Also, just to let you guys know, if you guys, obviously because it's a lucky dip, I don't know how much this retails for. It doesn't say. I'll see if I can find it out and I'll put it in the description box down below. So yeah, if you guys don't know what Glossybox is, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's like £8 something, and then you pay for shipping £3 something, making it like £11 something altogether. So yeah, it is a monthly subscription box. Like I said previously, I have been with them for, I believe, over a year now. I've not regretted it once. I have. It's given me the opportunity to try different products, you know, that I probably didn't think of trying before. And yeah, so when you sign up, it does ask you about like your skin, your type of skin, oily skin, all of that. It asks you about that, asks you about your hair and everything like that, so that they can personalize the box to you. So yeah, you know, I've got in hair masks before, I've got in face masks, face scrubs and everything like that. So it has been amazing. And you know, it's not like the boxes are not worth major, because like this box is, obviously their boxes are over £50, I believe, every single month. So you are getting your money's worth for £11. So yeah, be sure to check them out. I'll leave their link down below, and I've got a code for you guys that you guys can also use, which it will be also down below for you guys. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like, comment and subscribe down below, okay? And if you're not subscribed yet, I really don't know why you're not subscribed. So please do make sure to press that subscribe button right now and join the family. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.